The focus question of today's class is what is principle of deliberation and what procedures were followed in writing our Indian Constitution. Okay, good morning students. So today we are in another class of political science, and as we had discussed in our previous classes, the procedures that were adopted to make our Indian Constitution. So in our last class we had seen that there was a Constituent Assembly which was entrusted the responsibility for making our Indian Constitution. Constituent Assembly এখন বনোৱা হৈছিলে যিখনৰ কাম আছিলে আমাৰ কনস্টিটিউশন লিখা আৰু আমি লাষ্ট ক্লাছত চাইছো যে কনস্টিটিউশন এসেম্বলি মেম্বাৰ্স বিলাক কেনেকৈ চুজ কৰা হৈছিলে সো আমি ক্যাবিনেট মিশন প্ল্যান পালো তাৰ পিছত আমি পাইছো যে গুটি অল ওভাৰ ইন্ডিয়া পৰা ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্টেটিভস লোৱা হল ওকে সো উই স দা ফ্রেমিং অফ দা কনস্টিটিউশন এসেম্বলি okay so that was one. Now today we will be doing what were the procedures or steps that were followed in actually writing the constitution khan likhibo karone ki procedures follow korisile. Okay, so procedures buli kole there were two. One was called the principle of deliberation and secondly debating and voting was done. Okay, principle of deliberation, so we will discuss this, what does this mean, and secondly debating and voting. Okay, so first let us see this principle of deliberation. Okay, so the word deliberation, it means a lot of discussion, thorough discussion. Okay, deliberation মানে হল যেটি আমি কিবা এটা টপিক লৈ খুব বেছি কথা ভাবো চিন্তো আমি তাৰ পিছত ডিসিজন টা পাও হেতু কোৱা হয় deliberation বুলি. Okay, so the constitution writing process was based on this principle of deliberation. That means before including anything in our constitution, a lot of discussion was done among the members of the committee. Okay, so like for example, someone has now you know the term of our Lok Sabha is 5 years, but in the beginning some have suggested it should be 6 years, kisumane koisile je 7 years hobo lage. So hetu uporto bahut debates hoisile, bahut discussion hoisile kuntu dile amar sobake best hobo for our country. Okay, so ultimately it was decided that it will be 5 years. So like that jiman amar constitution and provisions ase, like as I said in the beginning, there were 395 articles in our constitution. So before including anything in our constitution, a lot of discussion was done. Okay, and a lot of emphasis was paid on public reason. Public reason mane hol will that provision be good for everyone. Okay, that was the main point. Etia bahut enako provision asile, suppose kunba ta Jawaharlal Nehru e koisile or Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So B.R. Ambedkar at that time he is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. He was the president of the drafting committee. But B.R. Ambedkar koise boli eku bharai dia nai. B.R. Ambedkar jeneke koisile abolition of untouchability. Okay, so hetu nohoy je Ambedkar koise boli likhi dise, no, Ambedkar had to prove his point je Ambedkar jitu koise je untouchability abolish hobo lage ta hetu karone public or keneke good hobo, so he had to prove it. Okay, so like that every provision that was included in our constitution, it had to pass that phase of public reason. They had to prove their point that why that provision had to be included in our constitution. Okay, so that means the principle of deliberation. And one more thing, in our constitution almost everything was debated and discussed, but only one provision was not debated. That was when the question came that who will get the right to vote. Okay, right to vote kak dia hobo. So hetue ekmatra eta asile jot decide hoisile je anyone who attains a particular age, that is the age of 18 years, will have the right to vote irrespective of caste, creed, hebla eku dhora no hobo, okol age. Okay, so that was the only provision that was decided without any discussion or debate, that is universal adult suffrage. Okay, okay, so তোমালোকক যে মই কৈছো যে বহুত ডিসকাশন কৰা হয়. Okay, so এতিয়া এই যে যিখিনি হৈছিলে পাবলিক ৰিজন, ডিসকাশন, ডিবেট, ভোটিং, okay, এটা এটা কমিটিতে হোৱা নাছিলে আমাৰ গোটেই কনস্টিটিউয়েন্ট এসেম্বলি. It was divided into 8 major committees. Okay, it was divided into 8 major committees. Okay, তোমালোকক মই নেক্সট দেখাম যে হে 8টা কমিটি কোন কিটা আছিল. Okay, so হে 8টা কমিটি লিখিব নাহে নাম, but sometimes they ask you who was the name any one chairperson of the constituent assembly, so তেতিয়া তোমালোকে লিখিব পাৰা. Okay, so I will now show you the what were the 8 committees and who were the chairpersons of those particular committees. Okay, so as I have told you that there are 8 major committees. So here you can see the first committee's name was Union Powers Committee, then Union Constitution Third is States Committee, and all these three committees were chairperson by Jawaharlal Nehru. So as I told you, question comes that who is the name one chairperson of any of the committees. These committee names never came, but still I'm giving you the name of the committees. So these three committees, they were chairperson by Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. And then we have the drafting committee. Okay, so it was chairperson by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, then next we have the Provincial Constitution Committee and Advisory Committee on Minorities and Fundamental Rights. And both these two committees were chairperson by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So I guess you have heard his name, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, very popular. So he was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Okay, he's also known as what? Can you tell me what was he known as? Yes, the Iron Man of India. Okay, next we have the Rules of Procedures Committee and the last one, Steering Committee. And both these two committees were headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Now, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, again, if I ask you, who was he? He was the first president of independent India. So these were the 8 committees that we got. So as I told you that there are 2 steps after principle of deliberation. The 2 steps are debating and voting. Okay, so debating, as you know, every provision before it was being entered in the constitution, it was debated by the various committee. I told you that there are 8 committees. Okay, so all the different matters were distributed among the 8 committees. So every committee had their own members. We had 299 members in our constituent assembly. So 299 members were distributed among all the 8 major committees. Okay, and every committee was given the task of the different topics were given to them, like for fundamental rights, for directive principles, what will be the term of the Lok Sabha, what will be the term of the Prime Minister. All these things were debated. Okay, so everything was debated. There was a lot of debate. Jikuno provision constitution at bhorwa agot বহুত ডিবেট তৰ্ক হৈছিলে মেম্বাৰ্ছ বিলাকৰ মাজত। সেইটো কাৰণে কৰা হৈছিলে যে কোনো যাতে খুটি থাকি নাযাওক, কোনো যাতে ভুল থাকি নাযাওক। অ'কে, এণ্ড যেতিয়া ডিবেটৰ এণ্ডত যিটো ডিছকাশ্যন বা ডিচিজন ওলায়, সেই ডিচিজনটো আকৌ কি কৰা হয়, ভোটিং কৰা হয়। দ্য ফাইনেল ষ্টেপ ৱাজ ভোটিং। অ'কে, চ' that particular topic was put to vote. He committee members bilake last vote kore tahati, and jodi he topic to majority votes pai je, suppose eta committee jeba 30 jon member ase, so 30 joner member bitor jodi 20 jone ba 25 jone jodi etu yes boli kori die, then that topic was accepted as passed by that particular committee. It was accepted as passed by that particular committee. Okay, and then hey particular provision to constitution include kori dia hoy. Okay, so you have seen that every provision. So I told you that jeti amar constitution first bonaisile there were about 395 articles. So you can imagine every article before it was written in the constitution, first of all there was lot of discussion, lot of debate. Many provisions were not accepted, they were not passed in the voting process, they were not passed in the debate, and the provisions which passed all these stages, okay, only heblak provisions that our constitution thai paise, mane they were included in our constitution. So our constitution likhute it took a very long time. So for our constitution to be completed, it took 2 years 11 months. Okay, 2 years 2 বছৰ 11 মাহ তাৰ মানে প্ৰায় 3 বছৰ টাইমে লাগি গৈছিল আমাৰ কনস্টিটিউশনখন সম্পূৰ্ণ হওঁতে। ওকে, আৰু এটা কথা, এই যে কনস্টিটিউশনৰ যে কামবিলাক হৈছিলে, ওকে, ইট ৱাজ ওপেন টু দ্য প্ৰেছ এণ্ড মিডিয়া। প্ৰেছৰ কাৰণে তাত সেই কমিটিবিলাকৰ পাছফালে ধৰা প্ৰেছো বহি থাকে যে আজি কি ডিচাইড হ'ল কমিটিত, আজি কি ডিছকাশ্যন হ'ল, এভৰিডে সেইটো নিউজ পেপাৰত প্ৰিণ্ট কৰা হয় যাতে মানুহে গম পায় যে আমাৰ কনষ্টিটিউট এছেম্বলিত কি ডিছকাছ হৈ আছে, আমাৰ কনষ্টিটিউশ্যনত কি কাম আগবাঢ়ি আছে। এণ্ড যদি মানুহৰ কিবা আপত্তি হয় সেইটো, দেন দ্য পিপল ইউজ টু like they expressed their opinions, okay, and the opinions of the people were taken into consideration, okay. So it was not a closed affair. Ami je paislo mode of promulgation, how a constitution is made. So amar constitution khon kenuka bonwa hoise, ekdom openly bonwa hoise, manuhok citizens ok jonwa hoy every day that aji ki hoise. It was open, nothing was secret. So everyone was knowing je ki hoy ase amar constitution khon, ki bostu bhorwa hoise amar constitution, and that is the very important reason je kihor karone amar constitution khon iman successful, okay. So this was about the procedures followed in writing our constitution. Okay, so today what will we see? We had discussed the principle of deliberation, that is a lot of discussion was done, bahut khini kotha batra pora kota hoisil ki provisions amar constitution bharabo, okay, include koriba. And there we got that there was only one provision on which there was no debate, and that was what? The decision that the right to vote will be given on the basis of age, no other qualification. So universal adult suffrage. Hetu monot rakhiba, etu 1 mark question ahe ketiaba je what was the only provision for which there was no debate or discussion, okay. So that is one what we got. And lastly what we saw, that for every provision to get included in the constitution, a lot of debates had taken place, and after debate the voting took place. For every provision it had to pass the voting process, voting was done, okay. So we saw also, we got that there were 8 major committees in our constituent assembly, okay, and it took 2 years 11 months for our constitution to be completed, okay. So I hope you all understand today's part, okay. So this was what we got today.